How to cancel reservation in Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel reservations in Airbnb that you made. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now just open up the Airbnb app on your mobile device or proceed to the website on your computer. Then just tap on the trips option at the bottom of the app or the top of the website. When you tap on trips, just select the option called contact host. As you can see over here, it says contact host. So just go ahead and select that one. And to do so, you have to click on the option that says change or cancel button right over here, as you can see. So just go ahead and select that one. And once you've done so, in the cancel reservation box, just click the option that says next, as you can see over here. Now choose your reason for cancellation from the drop down menu and then click on the continue button. And as you do so, type in your message to your host explaining your reason for cancellation and then click on the continue button over here. Once you give your explanations and then tap on the continue button, review your refund details and make sure all the information is correct, and then just click yes to cancel it. That's all it takes to cancel reservation in Airbnb. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.